You cannot cross the sea merely by standing and starting at the water. Hello friends, today I am going to share a beautiful speech on Rabindranath Tagore. So let's start. Good morning everyone. Today I am very grateful and delighted to speak about world-renowned poet Rabindranath Tagore. He was not only just a great poet, he was a philosopher, writer, social reformer, music composer, playwright, and visual artist. His contributions to literature and culture have left a deep impact on the world. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Jodasako, Kolkata. His family was the rich and cultural. His parents were Maharshi Devendranath Tagore and Saroda Devi. Rabindranath was a man of great intellect, creativity, and vision, and his work continues to influence people even today. In 1913, he became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature for his collection of poems Gitanjali. This was a moment of pride not just for India but for the entire world. Tagore wrote not just poems but stories and essays, and his works reflect deep emotions, nature's beauty, and the spiritual connection between humans. He composed more than 2,200 songs known as Rabindra Sangeet, again that express themes of love, spirituality, nationalism, and nature. He wrote the national anthems of both India, Jano Gano Mano, and Bangladesh, Amar Sonar Bangla. He traveled in many countries of Europe, America, and Asia, and also delivered many lectures in universities and in public meetings on education. He founded the Vishwa Bharati University at Shantiniketan, which aimed to provide a holistic form of education. His vision was to encourage students to connect with nature and the world around them rather than just focusing on books. He believed that education should not be confined to the walls of a classroom but should encourage creativity, critical thinking, and a connection with the wider world. He spoke out against the caste system, child marriage, and other social issues, advocating for equality and justice. As he was considered the greatest figure in the world. He is no more, but his ideas, creation, and ideals will continue to inspire and encourage the whole of humanity in the days to come. And today I want to say, Rabindranath, I love you, I respect you, you are in my heart. You are my philosopher, you are my mentor, you are my inspiration. Thank you.